Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, so good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's in the hand?
It's a toy.
What toy is?
This is a car.
What's in the bag?
It's a teddy bear.
Please give me your car. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Who's that girl?
She is my friend.
What she?
She is student.
What does she study?
She studies ZQ Preschool Punur in MZQA.
What is she doing?
She is reading.
What do you have breakfast?
I usually have patiri and curry for breakfast.
Why all this discussion here?
A big fuss is happening.
Really? What's it?
It's our first. There will be songs, games, and yummy food.
Oh, nice. Can I join?
Oh, sure, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.